Female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track, let me stay fast.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aubrey or Miss Lopez, whichever you prefer. So here I am back after that huge major fail of that wash and go using the foam mousse from the Lot of Body Products. Foam mousse, sand lotion, whatever you want to call it. It was a fail. It was a huge no-go. So I had to, the next day, which I hardly ever have to do, next day go back and restyle my hair. So you saw the products I use. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video because it was a huge no-no. And that's just me just wanting to show you all a fail that I've had, and I haven't had a fail in a long time. But that product and that style, all those products and the styles together just did not work for me. So I'm going back in with a product I know works. And as you can see here, I am going back in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. Well, my little knockoff Felicia Leatherwood brush that I ordered from Amazon. So the brush, I mean, I don't dislike it. It just is not something that changed my life, but it does work. So I'm going in with the Camille Rose products. I'm just going in with the milk product, and then I'm going in with the curling custard, and these products seem to really work well on my hair. So I'm just doing a finger coil today. I'm not doing really small finger coils. I'm doing a medium size, and I'm gonna go in and break those down, you know, kind of separate those coils, and then I'll probably separate them again like a day or two later just to give my hair a lot more body. And that's just how I like to do my finger coils. So doing the same thing I always do. My hair is already detangled. I'm going in with warm water in my water bottle and just kind of just give my hair a little more moisture, wetting it so that it's easy to manipulate and I don't cause any breakage. And I'm only using those two products, the milk and the custard, and I'm just gonna do a finger coil throughout my entire head, and I will let that dry. I'm gonna set it under my dryer for about, I think I sat in the dryer about 30-35 minutes. It really didn't take a whole lot of time because my hair was not freshly shampooed and stuff. So and then I'll come back and separate those and show you on my finished product. But I had to come and revive myself because that fail was just unbelievable to me, because I don't have too many fails. I pretty much know what does and doesn't work on my hair. So when I started to diffuse my hair and it just started to look like a bird's nest, I was like shocked. So I hope you all like this hairstyle. It turned out really, really pretty to me. So continue watching. If you have not hit that like button, go ahead and hit it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, come on, be a part of the fam. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video.